I was at a church that had an Easter production, again, live animals, and they had this huge parrot right next to the choir mic. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. So we get to the climax. Jesus is on the cross. He's dying. Things are shaking. There's thunders. The lights flash. And then the lights go out, and it's silent. And then you hear something, and it's the parrot. What the bleep's going on in here? The lights come back up. Jesus has fallen off the cross. We have just skipped all the way to the resurrection. He's doing fine. Everyone's cracking up. And the pastor's thinking, who's Parrot? Who's that? Which staff member is that?